How to fix the Instagram pin post option is not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles with your Instagram and you're not getting the pin post, here is what should be done. First of all, make sure you have updated your Instagram to the latest version. Head over to your Play Store for Android devices or App Store for the iOS devices. Then on the search bar, type in Instagram and then update it. Restart your phone after updating to get the latest features as well as remove any bugs that appears on the application. You can even check if you have a professional account. For this, head over to Instagram, go to your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner to open the menu. Now under settings and privacy, you will see the account type and tools. If you are using a personal account, it is better to switch to a professional account such as creator or business. This way you can get your feature of pin post. Once you have switched your account type, make sure to log out and log in back again to your account. Now that you see, the pin post option must appear. However, if it does not, try reinstalling the Instagram and get the latest version. After that, you might see the Instagram pin post option in your profile. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.